I had an employee, I didn't know ABC did electrical work. I had an employee working at a job near me, and he just said it was the best place he had ever worked, and he talked so good about it. I thought, man, I've got to check this place out. And I did, and here I am. ABC always gives us up-to-date stuff. The programs we're using, I like that. ABC is not cheap on what they provide us. It is the best place I've ever worked. Every place has its things. The longer you're there, you see it. But it's a people company. They treat the employees like they're humans. It's the highest. I've never worked anywhere that had such a high regard for the customer or the employee. I absolutely love the people I work with. A couple of the guys here, I got them a job here. We work together, but you're on your own. But at least in the electrical department, we call each other all day long, talk about, hey, you got questions, you know, I've got a situation here, what do you think about it? So, yeah, and the dispatchers, of course, I've worked here for 7 years, so I know the people pretty well. But yeah, I absolutely love the people here.